What is up, guys? Welcome back to another CB650R motovlogs video. Today I have just gotten my ECU back from Dyno Bike. They unrestricted it. I also purchased the velocity stacks. The bike is a bit dusty. It's been like a little bit since I've ridden. We're gonna go get fuel because I had a bit of a catastrophe with the fuel, but I haven't started it yet because I wanted to see if, I don't know, there's probably not going to be any difference to the way it sounds or anything, but I thought let's experience it together for the first time. So here is midnight being started up for the first time. Hopefully it starts for the first time since being derestricted. Whoa. I don't know if it was always that loud because it's been like a while since I've started it. But man, that just take it like somewhere where I'm not going to be in the way, because I had a bunch of cars. Let's see how we go. It kind of sounds a bit different, actually. Sounds like it's got a much more of a like that burble is like really, I don't know if it's being picked up on the camera, I hope it is, but that burble is like really deep, like it's really grunty. I like it. I actually should have gone the other way. It's alright, we'll go this way. Oh man, it feels good to be riding again. I'm not gonna go too crazy on like the first pull. Man, that sounds nice. The weather has been horrible here too. It's been like raining on and off. Crazy, like the weather's been so crazy, like be sunny one minute and then like pouring down rain the next. I'm gonna cut to when the lights go green because we might be here for a while. Alright, here's the first mini. Holy shit! Man, that pool's so different compared to being restricted. Wow! And those pops! What the fuck? That's crazy! I wasn't going too nuts. Like I didn't want to rev out every gear, so because again, like I did this work myself and my brother-in-law. Shout out to Joe. Oh my god. I hope that the microphone is picking up like those pops and bangs. I don't know if they are. Holy shit. So my review so far on the Dyno Bike mail-in tune, holy shit. So I'm not a small person. I'm weighing in at about 106, 107 kilos at the moment. I'll put whatever it is in pounds for the American viewers. When I jumped on it in first gear, I could feel the front end getting light, and I was not full on leaned over the front, but like I had a bit of weight over the front of the bike, and it was lifting up. So man, that is such a big difference. Holy crap, man. Hope you guys did enjoy this.